My name is Adam, and I'm a student. I prepared for various competitive exams. I was good in maths, but weak in English. English was mystery for me.
But then I came across politeenglish.com. And trust me, it changed my life forever.
I cracked various exams like CAT, GRE, GMAT, IELTS, etc.
So what are we waiting for? भाई इंतजार किस बात का? Let's have a quick look on the course we are going to study. Come on. Now let's talk about brave in a negative sense. Earlier we spoke about brave in its positive sense, right? What? What do I mean by that? Okay. So when we say sentences like तेरी हिम्मत कैसे हुई या तेरी ज़रूरत कैसे हुई, so here we are taking brave in a negative sense. So its synonyms are audacious, bodacious, brazen, lippy, cheeky, which also have a second meaning, which is risky. Then we have pert, galling, temerarious, and gutsy. Now galling also has a second meaning, which is annoying, and gutsy also has a second meaning, which is greedy. ये तो थे synonyms, and now let's talk about antonyms of brave. So the first word that generally comes in our mind is coward, यानी कि कायर, डरपोक. But its grammatical status is noun, and we are dealing with adjectives of brave. Correct? So some students suggest that we should use cowardice. But even after using cowardice, problem remains the same because it is also a noun. Kayartha. Therefore, we will use cowardly. That is coward plus ly. Got it? And now synonyms of cowardly: dastardly, spineless, timid, timorous, pusillanimous, craven, bashful. Bashful, which also has a second meaning, shy, reserved, coy. Then we have lily-livered, mousy, yellow-bellied, pigeon-hearted, and gutless. Now craven से हमारे पास एक word आता है crave, which is a verb and it means to desire for, yen for, yearn for, hunger for, hanker for, generally used as hankering, pine for, thirst for, dream of, aspire to. हमने bashful पढ़ा है ना, उससे हमारे पास तीन और नए वर्ड्स आते हैं, abash, bash और basha. Now abash का मतलब हो गया embarrass करना, to embarrass, and it's a verb. और bash is for party or fest, और bash up is a phrasal verb which means to beat someone. Like I bashed up someone, मतलब आपने किसी को मारा. Now let's take a quick look on some sentences on these words.
Well, so guys and girls, I would really like you to join our course on www.politeenglish.com क्योंकि वहां पे आप अपनी इंग्लिश वोकैबुलरी और ग्रामर को सिर्फ बेहतर नहीं बल्कि बहुत बेहतर और सुपर्ब बना सकते हैं. और अगर आप जयपुर राजस्थान में हैं और इंग्लिश और मैथमेटिक्स की क्लास ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं, so you just have to send in your name and phone number at englishhulk96@gmail.com. Well, I'll spell this out for you. It's ENGLISHHULK96@gmail.com, and we will contact you and provide you with further details within no time. Alright guys, well आप सबका ये वीडियो देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया guys. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Do share it with your friends and family. Guys, please share this video, share knowledge. Wish you all the best.